Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X5 Lite, and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and here we have to scroll in order to find password and security. Here we've got the fingerprint option, so let's tap, and here your device is informing you that before you will add the fingerprint, then you will have to add the screen lock, the backup screen lock, let's say. It's important because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device. Of course, if you've got the screen lock currently set, then you will be transferred to another step. So let me tap on continue. Here we can select the password, so numeric pattern or alphanumeric. I will pick the pattern. And now let me draw the pattern, redraw it, and we just set the screen lock. Here we've got the tips, which simply means that if you've got the screen protector, then it may affect the fingerprint recognition process because the sensor is on the screen. So here we've got the sensor. All we have to do is to simply put our finger on it, and now we have to do it multiple times in order to add the fingerprint fully and try to catch every corner for better recognition. We have to unroll the edges, so simply move your finger again and add the parts which are not currently added. And as you can see, the fingerprint is added. So if you want, you can add another. If not, just tap on done. If you want to enroll the face unlock, just tap on enroll. I don't want to do this right now. And as you can see, we've been transferred to the fingerprint section. This is the fingerprint we just added. We can tap on the three dots icon and rename it or delete it. We can add another fingerprint also. Here we can decide for what we want to use the fingerprint for. So the screen unlock is defaultly applied. Of course, you can turn it off if you want to, but also you can use the fingerprint for app lock or private safe. Here we've got the quick launch, the fingerprint animation, or show fingerprint icon on the lock screen or when the screen is off. It's of course up to you. I will check the animations. Let me pick this one, for example. Just tap on it and go back. So now we can check if it is working. So let me lock the device and let's find out if there will be a sensor. We've got it, so just put our finger on it, and as you can see, the device is unblocked. So actually that's all. This is how to add the fingerprint in your OPPO Find X5 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.